Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is our weekly installment for shop classes. This covers May 11th through May 15th. Make sure you're getting your work turned into me via Google form or screenshot on your phone. You can email that directly to me using my school email address. This week we're going to start off with small engines class. Lawn and garden tractors is the subject we're covering. Your learning objectives for this lesson: describe the guidelines for operating a tractor safely, list the different features available in lawn and garden tractors, list the various kinds of work done with lawn and garden tractors, identify principles of good design for lawn and garden tractors, describe the types of accessories that can be used with lawn and garden tractors, identify the several transmission systems used for lawn and garden tractors, and describe the electrical systems and components used on lawn and garden tractors. Okay, metal shop classes. That'd be metal art, welding, and metal fabrication. We're covering metal identification this week. Your learning objectives: identify the types of paperwork used by manufacturers and suppliers to check material compliance with specifications. Describe the visual identification methods used to identify metals. Define the qualitative identification and describe common qualitative identification methods. Define semi-quantitative identification and describe the common semi-quantitative identification methods. Define quantitative identification and describe common quantitative identification methods. Ag construction. We're going to cover thermal and sound insulation this week. Your learning objectives: summarize the principles of conduction, convection, and radiation. Define technical terms relating to thermal properties of construction materials. Interpret thermal ratings charts. Describe the types of insulation. Select appropriate areas for insulation in a given structure. Explain the principle of condensation. Describe methods of controlling moisture problems. List general procedures installing batt, blanket, loose, foamed, and rigid insulation. Describe the methods to protect against air infiltration. List ways to increase sound and noise control. Describe methods of construction that raise STC ratings in desired areas. And describe how acoustical materials work. Okay, junior high woodshop. This week we're talking about adhesives. Normally this would be covered through project-based learning, through your cutting boards and picture frame projects. Your objectives this week: you're going to be able to identify common types of adhesives and describe when to use them on a project, and to follow recommended procedures to correctly apply adhesives to wood stock. If you don't have any materials to accomplish this with at home, even wood glue or common classroom glue will work. Just maybe practice putting pieces of wood together using glue to understand how it cures and how materials that aren't prepared can be mounted together using adhesives. Have a great week. Be safe out there. And as always, if you got any questions, reach out. Email me and ask for help if you need it. Have a great day.